Let's learn the introduction to artificial intelligence today. Hey, welcome back to Artificial Intelligence Introduction class. In today's video, we will move on to applications of NLP. In this class, we only introduce 3 application fields of NLP. Let's move on to the first part, natural language understanding. Natural language understanding refers to the abilities of computer system to understand human speech and text. It's a hierarchical process that linguistics have divided into 5 levels. First, the speech analysis, where computer tries to convert spoken words into written text by using acoustics and language model. Second, lexical analysis, where computers identifies the basic forms, roots, the part of speech of each word in text by using dictionaries and other techniques. Third, syntactic analysis, where the computer identifies phrases and sentences structures and determines their relationships by using grammar and syntactic analysis. Fourth, semantic analysis, where the computer tries to understand the meaning of the text, including words meaning, sentence meaning, and implicit informations by using natural language reasoning and knowledge graph. Finally, pragmatic analysis, where the computer tries to understand the context, purpose, and intent of the text by using context analysis, inference, and common sense reasoning. So, NLP is a step-by-step process that requires different techniques such as speech analysis, lexical analysis, syntactic analysis, semantic analysis, and pragmatic analysis to analyze and understand text, and ultimately help computers understand human language. Now let's move on to the information retrieval. Information retrieval is the process of finding and retrieving relevant information from large collections of data, such as database or the internet. It involves searching for information using keywords or other search terms, and then selecting and presenting the results in a way that is useful and understandable to the users. Information retrieval is used in many different fields such as business, science, medicine, and education, and it is an important part in modern information technique. The development of information retrieval can be divided into 3 stages: batch processing, online retrieval, and network systems. In the batch processing stage, information retrieval mainly relied on the processing large amounts of text data in batches. The retrieval system processed all text in a batch, calculated the relevance between each document and query, and returned the results to users in some form. This stage was represented by the Cranfield Library in the 1960s. Mainly used for scientific literature retrieval. With the advancement of computer technology and the popularity of the internet, information retrieval gradually shifted towards the online retrieval stage. Online retrieval refers to users sending retrieval queries through a computer network, and the retrieval system responding in real time and the returning results. In this stage, keyword-based search engines like Web Crawler and Alta Vista prepared, which turns results by searching for keywords in documents. With the rise of Web 2.0 and social media, information retrieval entered the network system stage. In this stage, search engines can process more media types such as videos, audios, and texts. The research results are not only simple text but also multimedia formats like pictures and videos. In addition, search engines can analyze big data, machine learning, and natural language processing to improve searching qualities and a personalized recommendation, better meeting the needs of the users. Information retrieval has several key characteristics. It leads to find required information quickly and accurately, deal with large-scale data, be user-oriented, handle diverse document types, support multiple languages, and deal with uncertainties in process. It is also dynamic and needs to adapt to changes in network environment and user needs. The basic principles of information retrieval is to match users' queries with relevant documents in a collection-based similarity measures. It involves three main steps: indexing, query processing, and ranking. Indexing is the process of creating an inverted index of the collection, which maps words to the document that contains them. Ranking involves ordering the document based on their relevance to the query and presenting them to users in ranked list. This process is based on various techniques such as natural language processing, machine learning, and information retrieval models. The goal is to provide users with the most relevant information based on their query. There are several types of information retrieval, including keyword-based retrieval, natural language-based retrieval, faceted retrieval, and multimedia retrieval. Keyword-based retrieval involves matching users' queries with keywords in documents. Natural language-based retrieval involves understanding the user's natural language query and finding documents that match their meaning. Faceted retrieval involves using facets or attributes of the document to refine the search results. Multimedia retrieval involves searching for images, videos, and audio's content based on their visual or auditory features. Each type of information retrieval has its own strengths and weaknesses, the choice of which to use depends on the specific needs and goals of the user. Information retrieval have many applications in various fields, including web search engines, digital libraries, in commerce, social media analytics, healthcare, and scientific research. Web search engines use information retrieval to help users find information on the internet quickly and easily. Digital libraries use information retrieval to organize the search large collections of digital documents such as books, journals, articles. E-commerce websites use information retrieval to help consumers to find products they are looking for. Social media analysts use information retrieval to analyze large volumes of social media data and extract meaningful insights. In healthcare, information retrieval is used to find relevant medical literatures and aid in diagnosis and treatments. Scientific researchers use information retrieval to find and analyze scientific literatures in their field of study. So, information retrieval is very useful, and then we move on to machine translation. There are two basic modes of machine translation: rule-based machine translation and statistical machine translation. Rule-based machine translation involves the use of linguistic rules and dictionary to translate the text from language to another. This method requires extensive knowledge of both language and is often time-consuming and expensive to develop. Statistical machine translation, on the other hand, uses statistical models to learn how to translate text by analyzing large amounts of bilingual data. This method is more flexible and adaptable than rule-based machine translation and is able to produce translations that are often more accurate and natural sounding. Machine translation is a technology that uses computers to automatically translate text from one language to another. It has many applications, such as language translation devices. Machine translation is widely used in portable devices that helps people communicate in different languages. This allows for easier travel, business communication, and tourism. Machine translation can also help live interpreters by providing a written translations of what being said in real time. This allows listeners to read along and better understand the speakers. Machine translations can assist users in searching for information on the internet in languages that they may not be familiar with. It can automatically translate the user's search queries into the target language, allowing for more comprehensive and accurate research results. It is being used to increase efficiencies and productivities in translation industry. Translation companies can use machine translation to quickly and accurately translate large volumes of text, which can then be edited and revised by human translators. In short, machine translation has a wide range of applications and is making translation more accessible and efficient in various industries. That's all we need to learn in this session. In next class, we will move to the knowledge map.